Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain to you what is draw origin means. This symbol means draw origin. So the first one, this one, is allow you to draw to your desired place. For example, is following your mouse. Drawing following your mouse. When you draw, following your mouse. As you can see, draw shape following your mouse. And the next one, this one is drawing shape by center. What do you mean by that? When you click and hold and you draw, as you can see on the screen, it show is correct shape from the center. It's not flexible, from it's growing from the center can make you create perfect shape, perfect box. So for me, I just choose this one because it's flexible than this one flexible. You can use also a situation, following a situation. If you the situation need you to use this, you can use this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.